Hey, my name is Jim Reese. I'm a firefighter in advanced EMT. I'd like to take a moment and give a shout out to my friends at Ace Fire Preparedness. Look at what they have to offer, as well as products, training videos. They're here to help you out and to protect your land, your property.
There's a fire hydrant every 1,000 feet. You should have this in your car. This connects to the fire hydrant. This is our outstanding quality attack fire hose, 75 feet long. Ace Fire Preparedness and Defense, we manufacture outstanding professional firefighting and defense equipment made readily available and affordable for the consumer. Stay safe. Thank you for visiting today. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Good morning, I'm Sherwin, coming to you from Southern California. We're experiencing Santa Ana winds today. So what more of an appropriate time could there be to bring to your attention about fire preparedness and fire prevention? It's my intention to provide you with fire hoses, valves, fire hydrant wrench, and fire nozzles and hoses to prepared to protect your property and your home in the event of a fire and the fire department cannot come to help you protect your home and property. So this is the most important Y valve. It's a cutoff with 2 hose exits. You can have one hose for somebody to be in the back of the house and another hose for somebody to be in the front of the house, and you can shut it off. It's got a ball shut off valve. These are 2 types of nozzles I want to offer you. This is a cone nozzle with continuous flow, and this is a nozzle that you could turn on and off and control the amount of water you want to spray. The task at hand is to fight the embers that could get to your vents and your house. We're fighting the active issue, which is shooting water at the embers. Don't waste water. Watering down your roof, watering down shrubbery is a waste of water. Put your attention and focus on fighting the embers. I'm going to show you how to attach the Y valve to the fire hydrant. And attach. Open up the valve. See? Now we open up the fire hydrant slowly. Slowly. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, look at that go. Oh, now we close the fire hydrant. Remember, the task at hand is fighting the embers. Don't waste water wetting down your roof and your shrubs. especially in warm weather with these kind of winds, it's going to dry in 5 minutes. It's not going to serve a purpose. The task at hand is fighting the embers before they reach your vents and any way they can get into the eaves of your house. You always want to have a screen covered on your vents and make sure that all the gutters are clean and there's no access for embers to fly into your home. I'm going to take my hose and roll it, and always try to find a down slope so the water drains from the hose, and then you can roll it up. I can't thank you enough for being with us today. Fire prevention and fire preparedness is the most important action you can take to protect your home and your property. Remember, there's 4 million people in Los Angeles and 1,000 firefighters. During the Woolsey fire, the largest fire at that time in Southern California, the fire department was taxed. They couldn't help everybody. Personally, I live in Woolsey Canyon where the Woolsey fire started, and I was out till 5 in the morning putting out hot spots. The fire department did not come. They didn't have the vehicles or the manpower. If the wind shifted, I wouldn't be here talking to you today. I wouldn't have joined CERT, Community Emergency Response Team, trained by the Los Angeles Fire Department. I wouldn't be here today talking to you and bringing this to your attention. You can protect your home and your property. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Fire preparedness and fire readiness in case of an emergency is the most important action you could take today to prevent your property and your home from going up in flames. I'm Sherwin Ross. It's my honor to serve you. Thank you for being here today. Stay safe, and God bless the United States of America.